Well, if it wasn't my old friend Gordon. Still chugging along the main line, are you? I'm taking the Duke and Duchess to their summer house, of course. So it is. See you later, slow coach. Why bother? You know you have to stop soon. Because unlike you at stations, mind you probably need a little rest. And I'm Ferdinand. That's right. That's right. That's right. Centaur. That's right. That's right. That's right. Yippee! That's right. No, you're no fun. That's right. Is that so? I didn't know there were any famous engines on Sodor. Oh, hello, Gordon. Indeed they do. It almost makes me sound famous, doesn't it? Gordon, I wanted to tell you some news. I've been invited to take part in the Great Railway Show. I shall be racing. Oh, it's like where engines compete to see who's the fastest, or the strongest, or what you have. But I don't know if any engines from Sodor will be going. Of course you do, Thomas, and if any luck, maybe you shall. Flying Scotsman, coming through!